breaking, card collecting, football. Yeah! This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com coming to you live at 11 p.m. Eastern, 10 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. And if you're looking to get in any more breaks, we still have a few spots available for the midnight break of the Panini Gold Standard. So, got one more in you tonight. You still can get your spot. Here are the groups of teams and the people that own them for tonight. Here's the box, still in its factory seal. There's the checklist. The pack for tonight. And the empty box. Alright, up first for the Philadelphia Eagles, we have a base card of Deshaun Jackson. And that is numbered 7 of 499. For the Dallas Cowboys, we have a legend, Jay Novacek. And that is numbered 125 of 499. For the Baltimore Ravens, we have a rookie phenoms, Tandon Doss base card. And that is numbered 395 of 499. For the Indianapolis Colts, we have a Peyton Manning base card. And that is numbered 18 of 25. There's a nice short print hit. For the Houston Texans, we have a nice looking jersey patch of Andre Johnson. And that is numbered 32 of 99. For the Minnesota Vikings, a really nice looking jersey patch of Jared Allen. There's 1, 2, 3 colors with a very nice vertical stripe of gold stitching. And that is numbered 3 of 15. For the Dallas Cowboys, we have a jersey autograph of Miles Austin. and that is numbered 10 of 10. And last, for the Cincinnati Bengals, we have a base card, Cedric Benson. And that is numbered 98 of 499. So again, if you want to get in one more break tonight, guys, we got Gold Standard up in about 55 minutes. So get your spots. I think we have a handful left, and we'll see you in an hour. Later, dudes.